Hello everyone, my name is Geraldine and welcome to Learn English with Dee. I am an English teacher with over 5 years experience and I am a tutor on Preply. Why am I creating this channel? I am creating this channel to help people learn English in a simple, easy and interesting way, especially people who want to learn English on their own. This channel is for everyone. If you want to improve your English or revisit the concepts you've learned before, this channel is for you. What will you learn? On this channel, we will learn grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking practice, and everyday English expressions. I will make my lessons short, clear, practical, and easy to understand, so you can learn English without feeling overwhelmed. I will share exercises and quizzes using Google Form, so you can practice and test what you've learned for free. I will also post short videos explaining confusing English topics and common mistakes that even advanced learners make sometimes. So if you want to improve your English, or if you just love learning English and you want to practice on your own, subscribe to my channel and let's learn English together.